Wait, is this it? It's so small. Hey guys, welcome back to the Gross Tech Show. My name is Josh. I hope you had a great week. And today is exciting. We have got the Wyze Sense starter pack. It is delivered. It finally delivered. It came in today. And I want to show you it, and I want to show you how to set it up, how to use it, and all that fun stuff. So let's get right into it. So we opened the package, and you're going to be shocked. I'm totally honest and serious about this. You're going to be shocked. This is it. It's everything, it's tiny. There are 2 door sensors, a motion sensor, and the pack that goes on the back of your Wyze Cam. It's about the same size as a SmartThings door sensor. This thing is so small. I mean, it is I really can't get over how tiny this thing is. I mean, is everything in here? Ha! That's cute. It comes with a Wyze branded little, almost looks like a SIM card ejection tool. That's cool. I'll lose that real quick. Yeah, it's literally that tiny. There's the piece that fits in the back of your Wyze Cam. The door sensors are so tiny. I feel like building like a model house, a little tiny model house, and using these as the door sensors. It's got 2 door sensors, the motion sensor. It's crazy. Here's the other door sensor. So everything's in there. Comes with the instructions. Even the instructions are tiny. I got my Wyze Cam. This is version 1, so I'd like to see, does it work with version 1? Let's get it out of this outside unit box and see how it works. Come on. It's a little dirty from being outside, but still functional. Whereas the plug-in, it does have to be pretty small. I guess I never really looked at it or thought of it. So, yeah, it just fits right in the back here. So let me show you how to set it up and how it all works, which will be interesting because I'm filming on my phone. So we are recording. You can see the screen. This is the backyard camera. I can turn it on here and log in, and we see the video. Say hello to everybody. I don't need to hear sound. So we know that is working, so I'm going to put that down over here. If we go back to our main thing, so what we're supposed to do is plug in the bridge to the back of your Wyze Cam that you're going to be using. So once you plug the bridge into the camera, it comes up with a yellow light. Also notice the Wyze logo there is an actual button. It will start to flash blue and then will turn blue and be solid blue. All right, so a solid blue line means it's running, good to go. All we got to do is go again back into the app, hit the add product, the dots up, 3 dots up at the top corner, add product, select what we want to do. We want to do a sensor. So go ahead and open your Wyze app, as I'll do over here. We've got our main screen. If you hit the 3 dots, add product, we'll do the sensor first. And as you see, there is the device. Now, just so you know, to be able to add these devices, you need to be on the actual account, not the shared account. So you couldn't do it like I tried to do it with my wife's phone, and it wouldn't work because hers isn't the main account. So we are hooked up right now to the backyard camera. Go ahead and hit. And it says that it's ready to be connected. So insert the little pin into the hole, press and hold the release button. So you're going to take the cute little SIM card ejection. The hole is on the side. You're going to push it in and hold it till you see the little LED light flash red 3 times. 1, 2, 3. You wait till the camera says connection is successful, and there we go. All right, so after it's connected, it'll show up. Please enter the device name. We'll say back door. Okay. Finish setup. So there's my back door. As you can see, I can open. And it shows that it's open. I got a notification that the back door was open, and we can close it. Shows closed. If you go into the actual sensor, you can actually see the status of it right now, the time it is, and basically the history of when it's been opened, when it's been closed and such. If you go to the settings, you can rename it, you can change your notifications, you can do sensor videos, which is what is the key to this whole thing, is you pair your sensor to your camera to where if the door opens or the garage door opens or motion is detected, it will start recording, and you can actually click on which one it will start recording, and we can share and do all that fun stuff. So let's hook up the motion sensor. This thing is so tiny. It's so cute. And let's see, what is this? If I do this, I'd probably break it, but let's find out what it does. I can't get it out. Oh, there we go. Oh, okay, so it's an access to get to the expensive battery. That's actually quite a large, that is a very large battery. Look how big that battery is. It's thicker than any kind of watch battery. Cool. Also has little double-sided tape around it, so you already have that. So, all right, again, go ahead back into your app, hit the 3 little dots, add a product, motion sensor, backyard is what we're gonna do. Same thing as before, the hole is on the bottom, push it in, hold it there till the 3 red lights go off, and you'll hear your Wyze Cam say, connection is successful. And there we go. And now, if you look here, we have a motion sensor. We'll just say, what do I want to use this as? Side driveway? I tell you, there's so many things you can use these for. It's difficult to think of what you're going to be able to do or what you want to do with it because there's so many things. Motion. Motion is detected at 427. So as you are in the actual app and in the actual motion sensor, again, you can go into settings, change the name, change when you're notified, when it detects, when it becomes clear, sensor videos, meaning that it starts recording when the sensor is triggered, whether it's motion is set off or something is moving, basically, and you can choose which ones get recorded. Device info and all that stuff. So that's how you set up the Wyze Sense pack kit. It's amazing what you can do with this, and you can set it to where a garage door opens and it triggers because either motion is detected because the door goes up and down, or you can have it to where the sensor becomes disconnected, opens the sensor, then you have a video recording of the door going up and seeing why is it going up, or a door opening, or motion sensor in the hallway that's your kids aren't supposed to be going down, and you can get knowledge of when they go down that hallway, or motion coming up to the front door, and that way you don't always have to use the motion of the camera. Because for me especially, and I want to try this out with the motion sensor, is does it pick up not as much as the camera does. And let me explain. So I have my camera outside pointed out my front. Well, if the sun hits the trees right and the shadows move, I get a notification. If the wind blows a leaf in front, I get a notification. Now, I want to see if these motion sensors will be able to detect really if there is a person moving or if the shadows will affect it. So we'll see how it goes. I'll give you guys an updated video. But again, this thing is so tiny. This box itself, this door sensor is so small. I mean, look how tiny this thing is. It's the size of a quarter. This is amazing. Wyze, you've done it again. I love your company. I love what you make and everything, and we all do. So keep innovating, keep making things amazing like you do, and making it amazing for your customers as well. So Thank you so much for watching. This has been the Gross Tech Show. My name has been Josh, and still is. I'll see you in the next video. God bless you.